Hello guys, I hope you all are fine. So welcome to my YouTube channel, Jyoti Knowledge Hub, and myself Jyoti Mai. Today I'm going to explain you how we can create quiz in a very interactive learning platform that is called Quizizz.com. I think you must have heard about it, right? Okay, if you have not heard also, then today I'm going to explain it. This platform allows the students to learn and practice a variety of subjects. Plus, you can also create lessons or you can also create presentations that will help the students to learn a particular topic.
First of all, go to the Google Chrome browser, type Quizizz.com, and after typing you will get the first link. You click on that. वहाँ पे click करने के बाद you will get this type of view. Okay, so you can get a lot of subjects here like math, science, English, social studies, languages, computers, and many other subjects. Now if you want to create a quiz, click on this create a quiz option, and then you can see a lot of question type here like multiple choice, match, drag and drop, maths response, hotspot, reorder, fill in the blanks, drop down, labeling, graphing, and many other type of questions. But you can only use multiple choice, fill in the blanks, draw, open ended type of questions freely. But the other type of questions you can only use if you upgrade your account by paying certain amount, so that the account will become a super account. Now let us create a multiple choice question. So I will click on this multiple choice question, and now here you'll get the space to type the question over here. So let me type a question over here. Typing the question over here, you will get 4 options because it is a multiple choice question. So accordingly you type the answers. So after giving 4 options over here, don't forget to select the correct option. So after clicking on the correct option, click on the done. Then you will find the question that you have created over here. And now if you want to do some editing in the question that you have created, click on this edit option, this pencil option, and it will take you back to the same question where you can edit the question. If you want to do some changes in the question, you can do it, or in the options as well, or you can add an image over here, that is free. But if you want to add an audio or a video, then you need to upgrade your account. So I need to change the timing over here. So from 30 seconds I need to change it to suppose 1 minute. Okay, and if you want to change the points also, you can do it. So you will get the option here and you will change the points accordingly. So I will change it to 3 points. Okay, now don't forget to save it again, otherwise it will not get saved. Click on the done option, and yes, now the question is ready. Now if you want to create more questions, then click on this option that is present at the bottom, create new question, and again it will show a different question types. So this time I am going to select the fill in the blanks option, and you can type a question over here like a fill in the blanks question. Yeah, so after typing over the question, here you will not get any options because it is not a multiple choice question, it's a fill in the blanks question. So here you have to type the exact correct answer over here. Okay, so I'm going to type the answer over here. But if you have any alternate options related to this word, you can also do that by clicking here add alternative. If you want to add any other option or any other similar word which the student can write, so you can type that word also here. So now it is not required, so I am deleting that. So after doing everything, click on the done option. So yes, now again this fill in the blanks question is created over here. So after creating all the questions and the whole quiz, don't forget to click on the save option that is present at the right top corner. After clicking on the save option, it will ask to name the quiz. So I have named the quiz, and if you want to add any cover image related to the topic of your quiz, you can do that also, upload it. And now you need to select the subject. Then you need to select the grade. And then you need to select the language. And then visibility, public or private, and then you have to click on this continue option. And now you will see the whole quiz is created, and if you want you can play it live, and you can also assign it as a homework to your kids, and here it will show how many questions you have created along with the answers also. Okay, so this is how we can create a quiz in the quizizz.com. So I hope this video helped you to understand how to create quiz in quizizz.com. And if you like this video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel Jyoti Knowledge Hub. And don't forget to click on the bell icon so that whenever I upload such kind of videos, then you can get the notifications always first. Thank you.